like 15,
20 minutes.
20 minutes. We waited for 20 minutes. We signed in. Everyone's waiting. Everyone's, you know, getting anxious. I finally go in. I'm dressed. Just for the part? Yep. Totally just for the part. I go in, you know, schmoozing them. And then I slate, do my stuff, and now I'm leaving. Yep, 2-hour drive for a 2-minute audition. That's how it works. Okay, so, yeah.